Good afternoon, students of Class 10. Welcome to the online class of Chapter 7 Geography Lifelines of National Economy. In this class, I will tell you about the last part of the land transportation, that is pipelines. And afterwards, I will tell you also something about waterways. Students, as you know, pipeline transport is somewhat a new arrival in the transportation map of India. Previously, pipelines were used to transport water to cities and industries. Now, pipelines are used for transporting crude oil, petroleum products, and natural gas from oil and natural gas fields to refineries, fertilizer factories, and big thermal power plants. In addition, solids converted into slurry can also be transported through a pipeline. The far inland locations of refineries like Barauni, Mathura, Panipat, and gas-based fertilizer plants is possible only because of pipelines. Although the initial cost of laying pipelines is very much high, but the subsequent maintenance expenditure are minimal. It rules out transshipment losses or delays. Dear students, there are three important networks of pipeline transportation in the country. First is from oil fields in Upper Assam to Kanpur, UP, via Guwahati, Barauni, and Allahabad. It has branches from Barauni to Haldia via Rajband to Morigaon, and Guwahati to Siliguri. Secondly, is from Salaya in Gujarat to Jalandhar in Punjab via Virgaon, Mathura, Delhi, and Sonipat. It has branches to connect Koyali near Vadodara, Gujarat, Chaksu, and other places. Thirdly, gas pipeline from Hazira in Gujarat connects Jagdishpur in UP via Vijaypur in Madhya Pradesh. It has branches to Kota in Rajasthan, Shahjahanpur, Babrala, and other places in UP. Dear students, now I will come to the second mode of transportation, that is waterways. Students, since very ancient times, India is one of the seafaring countries. Its sailors sailed far and near, thus carrying and spreading the Indian commerce and culture far and wide. Waterways are the cheapest means of transport. They are most suitable for carrying heavy and bulky goods. It is a fuel efficient and environment friendly mode of transport. India has inland navigation waterways of 14,500 km in length. Out of these, only 5,685 km are navigable by mechanized vessels. The following waterways are declared as the national waterways by the government of India. First is the Ganga River between Allahabad and Haldia. Total distance 1620 km. It is called National Waterways number 1. Second is the Brahmaputra River between Sadia and Dhubri. Total length is 8,891 kilometers. This is called National Waterways number 2. The third is the West Coast Canal in Gujarat. The West Coast Canal in Kerala, that is Kotam, Purma, Kollam, Udyog Mandal, and Champakara canals. Total length 205 km. This is called National Waterways number 3. The fourth is specified stretches of Godavari and Krishna rivers along with Karai, Kakinada, Puducherry stretch of canals. Total length 1078 kilometers. This is called National Waterways number 4. Lastly, the specified stretches of river Brahmani along with Matai river delta channels of Mahanadi and Brahmani rivers and east coast canals. Total length 588 kilometers. This is called National Waterways number 5. Some other inland waterways are also there on which substantial transportation takes place. These are Mandavi, Juari, and Kumbaruja, Sundarbans, Barak, and backwaters of Kerala. This is called inland waterways. About overseas, that is external waterways, I will tell you in the next class. This overseas trade is carried out through the major seaports. Incidentally, I tell you that 95% of the country's trade volume or 68% in terms of value is moved by sea. About the major seaports and about the overseas trade, I will tell you in the next class. Thank you.